What did you say?
Keep fucking moving. The water was stone cold, so I was literally stepping like a grandpa.
I'm in the background.
Yeah.
Oh, I would love to go.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo semuanya, kembali lagi bersama Satria Ponde Reaction dengan Delgran
Action.
And kali ini saya mau memperlihatkan ke si Daniel. Kita cerita aja ke si Daniel, tapi dia belum lihat videonya. Ini udah pernah kita reaksi juga waktu si Daniel pergi ke air terjun ke Nyarai di Sumatera Barat. Ini lumayan populer videonya. So Del, you wanna see? You like adventure, right? So this was the kind of adventure probably for you in Indonesia, in the tropical jungle.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay. So ini saya udah bilang ke Daniel, dia udah setuju. Jadi nggak ada yang mau bikin Daniel apa malu, nggak sama sekali. Ini kita udah semua, Daniel udah setuju buat ini. Dia juga suka sebenarnya.
Tidak.
Okay. You ready, Daniel?
Yeah, go.
Del? Here we go.
Mak makan, Bu.
There's 5 kilometers to go to the waterfall.
It's too loud. You have a problem to position this down.
My first editing video.
Jungle. Flip-flops. Enjoy the show when you're gonna get there.
I can't see them yet.
You will.
Okay.
The whole thing was very muddy as well.
Yeah.
Look, everyone's saying... See?
Oh, you must have been raging, weren't you?
Yeah, I was absolutely fuming.
Oh fuck! I wouldn't even wear them in the house. Fuck me, going across a bridge and everything.
I was sweating profoundly because it was very hot.
I bet it is.
Listen what he's saying.
That was a big drop there. Yeah. It doesn't look that scary on this,
But you asked him to make a video for you. Take a video, please, you said. That's what I said. Listen what you're saying. It's got a shop, traditional shop, in the middle of the jungle.
In a tree.
Tunggu dulu, take off your thingy. What? My shop? My shoes? Sandal. No fucking sense. It is. Oh, you don't believe? Or whatever. I told
Maybe.
you. No, they are very soft.
Why do you tend to take them off? Or they'll float away?
the ground was very slippery.
Listen how he moans.
Bisa, you know. They will.
Listen.
I'm telling you right now. I'm not gonna strain my ankles on my face. It's an absolute idiot. No!
We just flying when we cross the river.
It wasn't funny for me. Bear in mind, that time I had 0 vaccines or anything else, so if something would happen to me, I would be fucked. I would be absolutely fucked. And the entire bottom is very stony and covered with moss and stuff, you know, so you cannot even get the footing properly.
Listen what you say. But very entertaining though. Oh.
Where's your phones? Did you have phones?
Someone.
I saw
Tour guide. Yeah, you pay £5.
Alright. No, I'm not laughing at that. I'm laughing at
So I couldn't get the footing. And the current is quite strong, like you can see.
Oh, the glasses on.
Yes, yes, yes.
What did you say?
Keep fucking moving! Thank you for that. It's so entertaining, honestly. You're good at that. Mr. Satria enjoying. He back to his nature. I can run.
Yeah, because that's your environment.
Yeah. I know.
Like I said, let me take you to the Polish mountains in the middle of the winter. We're gonna see who's flying. We're gonna shit your pants, thinking that the bear gonna eat you.
What? Are you flip-flops? Are they with one of the guys?
I don't know.
Well done, mate. Well done. I'm gonna make it right now.
Look at him, Marty!
That was even fucking worse.
That's the funny moment.
Because that log was very, very bad as well.
Oh, especially when there's nothing to hold on to there.
Yeah,
I wouldn't fancy falling in there.
that's what I'm saying.
We just run.
The water was stone cold, so I was literally stepping like a grandpa.
I'm in the background.
Yeah.
That we made.
That was very slippery. Because it was completely soaked with water. It doesn't
Yeah.
look like on the video,
Yeah.
but that's why I was trying to get my footing. So I was scared I'm gonna drop there.
Standing behind.
And I'm shit swimmer, as you know that, so...
Yeah, well, fair. Yeah. That would be deep, that, like, wouldn't it?
It is, it was.
Oh, well done.
Oh, that is beautiful, that.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Looks like a big turtle or something.
Yeah.
It does! This is his eye in his fucking head.
Beauty, isn't it? It's untouched. You know what I mean?
Until you lot fucking got there.
No, it's been beautiful. Don't get me wrong. It was worth entire hassle for me, you know, to get there.
Oh yeah, I'd love
But
that.
if- to be fair-
I'd love to jump. I'd be jumping in there.
I wouldn't be
Mr.
panicky
Satria.
as
Oh,
much
that's you.
if I knew
Yes.
what's going on, you know. If they would prepare me for this and
Yeah.
say, listen, that's what we're gonna do.
Yeah, if you had proper footwear.
Yeah, and nobody told me shit, so I was like, okay, fine. But I enjoyed it, to be honest. I
That's
did.
it, sir. What do you think, Dale?
Yeah, I love that. Yeah, it's very good. Yeah. It's funny, like.
I know, if you're not here, you're gonna say a lot of things.
No, you can say whatever you want.
You can say whatever you
the-
want.
Yeah, the
Of course you can say whatever you
the
want.
bit in the log I thought was hilarious. But the drama between you two and the river as well, like, come on, fuck off!
That's what I like.
But I'm gonna fucking murder you, another highlight. And the flip flops, like,
No fucking chance.
I was laughing my head up at that because I was just imagining what you've been thinking. I'm in the middle of a fucking jungle here and I'm wearing a pair of flip flops. You probably felt like fucking killing someone.
Yeah. I would. You would probably be the same in that
I would.
situation, yeah.
I would fucking... Yeah. To be fair, we did ask you, would you need something, and then you say no.
Because when I've asked you, when we went there, are we going to the waterfall by car?
No,
What did you say?
I know.
Yes, we're going there by car. Did anybody mention to me 5 kilometers trek through the fucking jungle, crossing the river, or anything like it? No.
That's the way we explained, because we thought that you straight away know. No one gonna go to...
So they didn't tell me that because they knew if they would, I wouldn't do that.
Because everywhere you
So they
go...
were like, okay, let's a surprise. That was my first time, you twat.
No, what I'm saying is everywhere you go, even here, when you go to waterfall, you're not gonna go straight to waterfall to the car, with the car.
It's a funny video anyway, regardless of the...
Because it's seen as with flip-flop. For us, it's normal, you know what I mean? I think you don't want to
Oh, so
look...
you would normally wear that in the jungle?
Yeah?
At the beginning, there was just a normal road, so I was like, oh, I'm sound here. And literally half an hour later,
Yeah,
I
in
was...
the car park, we're asking you,
And I was thinking like, oh yeah, it's fine then, because it's just a road, you know what I mean?
So Del, would you do that?
Like you go to Snowdon at some point and you've got this nice approach, you know, up where the train is, you know, you could go there in any kind of footwear really, you know.
Yeah, but
that's what I was expecting when I got off the car.
But you are in different countries, so for you now, guys, if we go to Indonesia, expect it's gonna be different. Everything with you. So what you Del? Will you go there?
Go to
That waterfall?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
With flip flop.
No, I'd probably wear a pair of like
normal
shoes.
boots.
Especially because insects love to suck my blood. They love to bite me, eat me. They just love me. So I will be covered a little bit, and the feet as well.
Yeah.
Because stuff.
Don't make my mistakes.
But I will go into the water.
Thank you for that.
End of the day, like I said, I still enjoyed it. It was a good experience. On the way back, I was much better than on the way up, to be honest. Because on the way back, I already knew the trek, so I knew what to expect. You know, that's what the thing was. That's why on the way back I was fine. It was just the way up that was a little bit.
The stress is scary, my friend. They're really scared with them, honestly.
So I was fucking raging.
Alright guys, itulah reaksi kita.
I was
I
about
don't
to.
think he was stressed. He was...
I was about to throw him off that fucking log when I realized what he's doing behind my back. It's lucky I didn't send him flying to that water. No, to be fair, Lius has helped me a lot in the. If it wouldn't be for him, I would probably flip the lid. So I owe him for that.
Flip flop the lid.
Yeah, flip flop the lid. Yeah. Definitely. So my big respect for Lius.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sampai jumpa lagi.
Sampai jumpa lagi.
Bye bye.